Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to play a quiz. In the comment box, you gotta comment me how much how much score did you get out of 20 questions. Please watch the video till end. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe. Let's get started. Your first question is: what's the plural of sheep? Sheep, sheeps, sheep, ship. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is sheep. Why sheep? Because the plural of sheep is sheep because it is an irregular noun that does not change in the plural form. Your next question is: my best friend lives dash Dubai. In, on, at. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is in. In preposition is used to indicate location or position within a city or country. That's why we used here in. The next question is: what's the plural of dog? Dogs, doggies, dig. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is dogs. The plural form of dog is dogs because most nouns in English form the plural by adding s to the singular noun. That's why we used here dogs. Your next question is: what's the plural of lady? Ladies, ladies, ladies. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is ladies. Here, because noun ending in y preceded by a consonant usually changes the y to I plus es. That's why our correct answer is ladies. Your next question is: pretty flower bloomed. What is the adjective here? Flowers bloomed. Pretty. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is pretty. The correct answer is pretty because it describes the appearance of flowers in the sentence. That's why our adjective is pretty. Your next question is: my fingers were injured, so my sister had to write the note dash me. For, with, to. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is for. The correct answer is for because it indicates that the note was written on behalf of the person whose fingers were injured. That's why we use here for. Your next question is: he usually travels to Malaysia dash plane. On, at, by. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is by. The correct answer is by because by is used to indicate the means or method of transportation. Your next question is: what's the plural of box? Boxes, boxes, boxies. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is boxes. Here, the correct plural of boxes because when a noun ending with X, S, Z, CH, SS, or SH, we add ES instead of S to make it plural. Your next question is, I was visiting a relative dash the hospital. To, in, on. Your time starts now. Your correct answer is in. The preposition in used to indicate a location within a building or enclosed space. That's why we used here in. The next question is, the hot volcano erupted. What is the adjective here? Hot, erupted, volcano. Your time starts now. Your correct answer is hot. The hot, the word hot is the correct answer because it is the only word that describes the temperature of volcano, whether volcano is hot or cold. Your next question is, the bright light glowed. What is the adjective here? Glowed, light, bright. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is bright. The word bright is the correct answer because it is adjective that describes the type of light it glowed in the sentence. Your next question is, these dresses were dash sale last week. In, on, up. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is on. The word on is the correct answer because it is used to indicate a specific time or date when something happened or will happen. Your next question is, there is a bridge dash the river. Near, across, on. Your time starts now. Your correct answer is across. The correct answer is across because it indicates that the bridge is extending over the river, connecting from one side to the other. Next question is, what's the plural of potato? Potatoes, potatoes, potats. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is potatoes. Here, the plural of potato is potatoes because noun ending in a consonant plus o typically add es for the plural. Your next question is, what's the plural of shop? Shops, shops, shops. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is shops. The plural of shop is shops because by adding s to the singular. Your next question is, fast car raced. What is the adjective in this sentence? Cars raced fast. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is fast. The given sentence fast car raced suggests that the cars were moving at a high speed. Your next question is the round ball bounced. What is the adjective here? Ball bounced round. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is round. The correct answer is round because round is describing the ball, whether ball is round or rectangle. Your next question is what's the plural of bush? Bushes, bush, bushes, bushy. Time starts now. And the correct answer is bushes. The plural of bush is bushes. For noun ending in sh, we add es to form the plural. Your next question is Amanda hasn't seen her older sister last April. On, in, since. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is since. The correct answer is since because it indicates that Amanda hasn't seen her older sister starting from April. Your last question is what's the plural of wife? Wives, wives, wifeys. Your time starts now. Your correct answer is wives. The plural of wife is wives. Words ending in F or FE, where F and FE changes to V before adding ES. Thank you guys. If you liked my session, please hit the like button, please subscribe and comment me in the comment box how much score did you get out of 20 questions. Hope you enjoyed the video. Meet you in the next video.